Sheep investigate everything by nibbling first. Hare, definitely suspicious grass.
Horsey's motto, when life gives you a fence, just roll with it.
From the puppy's perspective, this was a success.
Yee! Come on, don't fall off. Give me the one.
That dude's nap wouldn't be nearly this peaceful if it wasn't for the camera.
Tal vez, si vos decís que esa ya no está en la... ¡Ay! ¡Ay!
Nobody is perfect. He's got that beautifully chaotic underbite.
No Wi-Fi, no video games. This is the kind of childhood that doesn't need screens to feel magical.
It's their instinct to never ignore food nearby, even when they're not actually hungry.
Oh, God, you're so good. So good and tasty.
When?
خرخور وقت المساج. طاح هذا سعودي يسوي حق خرخور مساج. شوف انا مندمج. لا اله الا الله.
Before learning how to be kings of the savannah, they master the art of sharing.
This don't look at me like that. Why'd you knock over the recycling? She's like, why the are you saying me?
啥狗？
我累了。哎呦我操！
Ja, kom igen. Varsågod. Klink, jente. Sånn, her. Varsågod.
Mellow, you falling asleep? You falling asleep, Sham-
The cows saw the toy car and formed a slow-moving investigation committee.
Не бойся, вылезай. Пойдем, вставай, пойдем.
This is why you shouldn't mess. Goodness.
Whenever they're scared, all they want is to run to their beloved human.
Are you going to do that dance for me again today? Yes? Woohoo!
That's what she said. And you know what? What was that? Okay, James.
This is her first time with a big leaf pile.
Big size, even bigger need for affection. Love keeps the baby's energy alive.
Dear me.
Choosing the birdie airline, and now you're wondering when takeoff actually happens.
8. 8.
She's refusing to give up prime real estate to a loud machine.
Sit. Place.
Someone's ready to join the circus. Sign him up!
Pull down. Put the pole down. No. Stop. I am so sorry.
It's such a joy knowing there are these little creatures waiting for you to come home every day.
What took you so long? Okay, don't come in now. Here. Okay, how's that? Okay. All right, look at your bones.
Come on, bud.
What are you doing?
He's fast. He's so fast. Oh my god.
Now that's what I call a relaxing afternoon.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas.
Someone definitely will not check out at 11 a.m.
That dog has eyelashes straight out of a Disney movie.
Свою отбоялся, нахуй, отплакался, отбоялся, вообще похую. Мне вообще похуй.
Even when your body's 100% joy, being a good boy still matters.
Ow! What the fuck are the parents doing over here? What? There's a parent!
Whose parent is that?
Look up. You're lost in the sauce nugget.
See? Cats don't always see birds as prey. There are always exceptions.
Mowing the lawns. Right, selfie time. There you go. There you go. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Up here. Not me.
Just a giant bouncer is letting his new VIP guest in.
What are you asking? Oh.
This little guy's not running away. He's just coaching the officers on their cardio.
Tony, come on. It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation. It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation. It's teeny tiny Tony. It's teeny tiny Tony on vacation.
Aria.
Oh no!
We're gonna show Tudor's party trick. When I give him a kiss on this cheek, this ear's gonna come up. Let's see if he'll do the other one. My bulldog.
Yes, we gotta go.
Come on. House is right there.
Looks like
Yes.
Sometimes their intelligence is really surprising, right? Stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.
bored.
You go home. Come on.
Ay, qué calor hace. Ya lo bajé. Y no comparto. No comparto aire. ¿Me das pollito? Un poquito de pollito, ¿sí?
Toast, scare him. Scare him. Scare him, Toast. Get him. Release that prey drive. Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him, Toast. Get him. Oh, my God!
Me voy a matar, te me gusta. Uy. Uy. Voy a matar. Uy. Uy.
Is this why dogs don't like bathtubs? Puppy just discovered heavy machinery and decided it's the meaning of life.
Well, we love to have a close encounter with the wildlife, but the saliva might not needed.
Herkese günaydın. Bir güzel bir manzarayla karşılaştık. Normalde bu kediğin amacını biliyoruz. Hedef.
Jackson, sit. Wait. Ready.
Mini Otter shows maximum trust. Just lie there and let Mom handle everything.
Wait, sir. Wait, hold on. Wait, I don't know you. Wait a minute. Where did you go? Hi.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Excuse me, sir, you have a hitchhiker on your Void Duck feet.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? What you looking at?
Nugs, turn on the light. Turn on the light. Here you go.
Get you. Now I know you done lost your mind. Get you 1, 2. Hey. You bet. Drop the tissue. Get.
How my sibling acts, and then the parents walk in.
Unlike many leopards, Sri Lankan leopards often spend more time on the ground because they have fewer large predators to avoid.
Sheep investigate everything by nibbling first. Hare, definitely suspicious grass.
Good boy. Oh, you are so talented, Hobby. You is the most talented boy. Good.
Fun fact, escalators feel strange to golden retrievers due to movement and pressure changes.
Is there a cracker in here? No? Okay, I'll hug you then.
No. Oh.
Odd friendship energy. One climbs, the other provides emotional support through chaos.
Apparently, this is the only acceptable way to dry off.
When avoiding eye contact isn't enough anymore, his social battery definitely reaches 0.
This video is proof of that.
Goose. Goose. Stop. Stop. Are you kidding me? Good.
You like her more than me? You want to go here?
This little one seems to trust his sense of smell more than his eyesight.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
I shall call him Squishy, and he shall be mine, and he shall be my Squishy. Come here, Squishy. Come here, little Squishy.
Number one sign that people toss their drama aside and fetch some fun. Mistaking that guy's actions behind your back for encouragement for this dangerous plan, huh? Excuse me, does this cruise offer an all-you-can-eat fish buffet?
เฮ้ยมันเอามะพร้าวถ่ายวิดีโอมาด้านหลังรถเรารอมะพร้าวกูซะแล้วเฮ้ยมะพร้าวโอ้ยกูดื้อขึ้นอ่ะโอ้ยขึ้นอ่ะ
I mean,
how could anyone be mad at a puppy with eyes like these?
Good boys, bad cops. If these goofy pups made you smile, please like and subscribe for more. See you.
Молодец. Давай второй. Молодец, давай. Молодец, давай.
So let me show you how I call my cat.
Guess who looks like they're breaking up the fight, but is actually helping their buddy?
who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Really? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
This guy really thinks he can handle a giant mission.
Look at you.
Boxes have a strange effect on cats.
You scratch me, I scratch him. It is what it is.
Oh, baby.
Hmm?